Hey guys, welcome to the first video of this series where I'm going to be teaching you guys coding in Roblox Studio so you could eventually make your own games, maybe get them popular. Um, so in this first episode, I will teach you about printing. So let's first open Roblox Studio, and as we can see in these templates, we are going to use the normal base plate, right? So um, for this episode, you will have to go to View and select these three stuff: the Explorer, the Properties, and the Output, because you will be needing them for the next few episodes. We could go to Home. So what we're going to start off by doing is adding a part and adding a script to it by going to the plus and the script. So before we start, I just want to say that I am sick while making this, so my voice does sound different. Also, this is new for me, and I don't really know how fast I'm going, so please make sure to write in the comments, and I'll try to change it. But yeah, I don't really know how to do this yet, but yeah. Okay, so first, when we make the script, we have these two tabs, right? So to switch between them, and when we first open the script, it will start off with a line of the printing. We could just delete that real quick. So printing you could do by writing print, as we just saw, and then adding quotation marks or something. So printing, basically, let me just show you guys. When we press play in this output, which I was saying, it will print the thing out, right? And it will show you that server and then script one, right? So that script. Printing is mainly useful for like when you're in higher coding and you want to like check for errors or like print out someone's username, just make sure your code works. But let's just start here. So write print, and then after we do that, it should autofill for us. We have these So what you could do is we're gonna start off with strings. You have to put these quotation marks, right? And as you can see, whatever you write inside them, you could will be words. So we could write hello guys, and when we press play, it will say it right there, as you guys can see. Um, so yeah, like I said, it goes into the output. But another thing we could do is instead of doing a string, we could do a number. So for this, you don't have to do quotation marks unless you want to, but you could write like a number, and when you press it, it will print it out like that. It will be the same if you put quotation marks around it, but um, as you can see, it will do the same thing. But the reason you shouldn't is for like stuff like math, right? So for printing, you could also do math in case you want to. So we could do 90 plus 293. Press play, and as you guys can see, it will add those two together and give us the output. So that's it for that. Another thing is, next thing is variables. I know I'm going too fast. Sorry, guys. I just don't know how to explain this in other ways. But right, variables, Roblox variables. You could start off by writing local. This will give us the variable, right? But then you have to give it a name. So, let's do word, right? So now we have a variable by putting local, and we named it word, right? So now we want it to be something, right? To equal something. So we could put equal, and then quotation marks because we want it to be a word, a string, and then we could put like hello guys. So now we have a variable basically that's equal to the words hello guys, right? So to check this out, we could do print, and then we could put the variable inside there. So no quotation marks, just put word. It should like show it right there, right? It's a string. So go back, press play, and then as you can see, it'll print hello guys, which is our variable. So another thing is we could make our variable look almost anything we want. So we could set it to like a number. Let's just print it real quick, right? So now it's an integer, so like that. Also, we could add, so we could add 200 that, so it will add it on. As you guys can see, it's different numbers. Um, so next, what we could do is we could also change the variable. So to change the variable, we have to type the variable, and then equals, and then change it to a number. So let's change it to a string. Right? So let's first print word, and then another thing is you could wait 1 second. So by using let's to wait, you have to use the wait function or task.wait. Right? And then you put a number. This is in seconds. So 1, right? We'll wait 1 second, and then it will change our variable to the string. So we could also, to check that out, we could print word again. So let's wait 2 seconds so we could see the difference and run. So it will show us that. It will wait 2 seconds and then it will print string. So variables are very useful. Personally, variables are like some of the most useful stuff. Um, they're very useful and you guys should use them a lot, right? But that's mainly it for this episode. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned. I'm gonna try to make this better because I know these tutorials aren't as good. But yeah, thank you for watching, and see you in the next episode.